Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 3 and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to increase or decrease the volume on your watch, the sound volume, you need to wake up the screen by pressing the crown button, then swipe down from the top of the screen, swipe down again to open the quick panel, scroll through this panel until you find this speaker icon with the cog on it, tap on this icon and it will bring you to the volume menu. And here we have a few types of volume. We have alarm, media, workout, system and voice assistant. If you're not sure what the volumes are, basically what they are for, you can tap on this checkmark icon at the bottom of the menu and it will explain everything to you. Basically, alarm adjusts the volume for the alarms, timers and other stuff like that. Media adjusts the volume for music, podcasts, voice memos and other media content. Workout adjusts the volume for the workout broadcast, so the voice that tells you, for example, workout started, workout paused. And then we have the system, which changes the volume for the calls, notifications, calendar events and stuff like that. And voice assistant is for the Zep Flow voice assistant. And to adjust the volume, you simply tap on one of the types and then use the slider to adjust it. So adjust every volume to your liking. And once you're done, you can simply press the back button to go back to watch face. Okay, and then you can press the back button, like I said before, until you see the watch face. And basically that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.